Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends, where cutting-edge smartphone news gets real. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you're first to get our next deep dive. Apple's flagships for 2025 are here. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are stacking up 15 plus upgrades: camera, power, design. This is the royal flush of phones. Mark your calendars. Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 lineup in early mid-September 2025, with pre-orders around September 12th and shipping from September 19th. The Pro Max is rumored to start at around $1,299 in the US, with possible regional bumps due to tariffs. Design-wise, the Pro Max looks sleeker, half-aluminum, half-glass frame with a new horizontal camera bar, slimmer dynamic island, and perhaps a sky blue finish. The 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display gets promotion 120Hz and a tougher anti-reflective coating, beauty and brawn combined. Get ready for triple 48-megapixels rear cameras, wide, ultra-wide, and tetraprism telephoto, for ultra-detailed photos and true 8K video recording. Front camera? A crisp 24-megapixels unit for stellar selfies and 4K FaceTime. Powered by the A19 Pro chip built on 3nm tech and paired with 12GB RAM, this phone is a speed demon, plus vapor chamber cooling keeps it chill. Expect a bigger battery powered by new silicon carbon cell tech, powerful but slim, and fast charging up to 35W wired plus Qi 2.2 wireless. Apple's first Wi-Fi 7 chip and an in-house 5G modem bring top-tier wireless speeds. So there you have it, 15 plus upgrades, from next-gen camera and battery to powerful chip and premium design. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just an update, it's a revolution. Which upgrade excites you most? The triple cameras, AI chip, or faster charging? Let me know in the comments, I read them all. If you're hyped too, smash that like, share this video, and subscribe for full coverage when the iPhone 17 series launches.